anything concerning organic cream, I don't wash my hand come out from am. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? For me, I'm doing so fine, like I'm doing awesomely well. I have decided to just come up here to talk to you guys like one-on-one because it's been a while, and I know I have so many people have said to subscribe to this channel, and most of you don't really know me. So yeah, let me officially introduce myself to you. I am Okeke Jennifer Onyinye. So this channel is called Onyinye Okeke's TV. This channel is all about making of hair, cooking, like anything that interests me, my lifestyle, like anything at all that just interests me, I just upload it here. But basically main on hair or major on hair. So because I've been uploading hair videos like frequently, often, that's what I love to do for fun. It's like my hobby, one of my hobbies, and I've been doing hair for like, let's say since I was 8 years old or 7 years old. That's how long I've been making hair. I've been making people's hair for a very long time. And if you're an OG, you already know that my mom was also, or is still, a hairstylist, but she doesn't have a salon presently now. Decided to come up here to just talk to you guys about my life updates, what have been going on with me. Since I consider you people as family, you guys have been part of me all the way, my journey, every single step. I have decided to come up here to tell you guys the good news. I have good news and bad news, you know. So I decided to come. Let me start off with the good news first. And the good news, one of the good news is that I bought a car. So I bought a car, and I bought the car like a month back, and I've been feeling so shy to come up here to talk to you guys about it. And no, I've been vlogging and I've been talking about it, but it's just that I've not officially told you guys that I bought a car. So yeah, I bought a car and I saved, like I needed that car so badly. I saved and saved because most times I get clients very early in the morning and calling Uber, you know, either Uber or Bolt to come pick me up from my house very early. It actually feels somehow, and sometimes they even disappoint me. So that's why I decided to save up. Like I saved to buy the car, and yeah, I bought a car. So the car has been helping me, and thank God I was able to save that money. So guys, just ignore all the dog barking. This is late night. Back to my gist. I saved up money to buy a car, and thanks to you guys for all the support, all the, you know, you guys have been supporting me all the way. You guys have been appreciating this little girl, this small girl. You guys have been supporting me so much. Like I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm happy to have you guys in my life. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for all you guys have been doing for me. Thank you. Like I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate. So a lot has been happening to me. So much has been happening to me recently. So I lost 2 close friends, not just friends, let's say family, under the space of 6 months. The first person, or the first, I didn't want to talk about it. He was actually sick, especially with the fact that the sickness is not a common sickness, and we young people, we always think that we have spare lives, or probably we still have like a very long time to live here on earth. So he died of brain tumor. We thought it was malaria and typhoid, and we're treating malaria and typhoid. All of a sudden, while treating the malaria and typhoid, everything became so worse, and we had to like try other suggestions before we could know it. In short, we found out very late that it was brain tumor. The operation was successful here in Nigeria, but after surgery, the next thing is recovering, and recovering was not easy for him, so he left. And then my auntie, like I uploaded a video about, not about her, I uploaded a video like early this year I'm going to like insert a video somewhere around here, just so that if you didn't, like probably maybe you missed the video, you can just go ahead to watch it. She came visiting early this year, visiting us here in Abuja from the village, that's from East. And then July ended, no, early July, we lost her as well. Very beautiful soul. So yeah, may their soul rest in peace. Like, I still feel awkward talking about it. I still feel like, guys, I don't want to even think about it. I don't want to come up here on camera and start crying, but I know by the grace of God they are in a better place. And yeah, you guys, I always keep talking about this thing. Take good care of yourself. Like, I've uploaded videos here and I talk about us taking care of ourselves. You guys, leave this money we are chasing. We're going to leave it here on this earth. And try to take care of yourself, especially eat healthy. As I'm talking to you guys, I'm talking to myself as well. Like, you guys noticed that recently I've started adding weight. Can you guys tell? I've started adding weight because I've started eating. Like, I started eating when I'm supposed to eat. So that's why I'm adding weight. It's very important for us to take care of ourselves. Like I said in the a video I uploaded years back, I talked about us taking care of ourselves, that the only thing that gives us access to this earth is our flesh. That's like a proverb. Not a proverb, it's a reality. It's our flesh. It's so important. Eat right, eat healthy, you know, take care of yourself, rest when you are supposed to rest. I feel like he wasn't really resting well, and that was why the whole thing grew, because nobody knows how it all started, but I just feel like something keeps telling me that he wasn't really taking good care of himself. So that's why I've come up here to talk to you guys. Rest when you're supposed to rest is so important. Try to sleep for like 7 to 8 hours. I think that's the proper amount or proper time to sleep. I don't know why I'm calling amount, I like money. Rest when you're supposed to rest, eat when you're supposed to eat, do not overstress yourself. We're all going to leave everything here and go. That's how it is. Nobody is going to stay here forever, and nobody is going to take anything from this place to the other side of the world. Guys, take good care of yourself. So let me just stop rambling and talk about the next thing. So recently I've been receiving so many questions about my skin, like what I've been using. So many questions. Anytime I upload a video, either upload a video of myself dancing, because I love to dance, it's my hobby too. So these are my hobbies, let me tell you guys. I like to dance. I also like to make people look beautiful, especially their hair or makeup. And sometimes I like to cook. I like to create new things. I just like creativity. I also like to learn new things. So that's me. Anytime I'm less busy, is either you see me dancing or I'm learning something new. Back to the main gist. Anytime I upload a video, I get lots of questions up here, either here or TikTok. You guys, if you are not following me on TikTok or Instagram, I'm going to leave the handle here. I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Like, am I that bad? Am I that boring? Please follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm going to leave handles here or here. I'm not really active on Snapchat. I just want to give you guys background story on how or what I've been using of recently, or what products I've been using. Skincare products or cream that are not skincare products. Let's leave skincare products, like creams I've used in the past and the current one I'm using right now. Okay, while growing up as a child, my mom used to use or used to get us looking good. So that was what we started with. We're using looking good, all of us. My mom is fair. My mom is a light-skinned lady, and my dad is dark. Like you guys already know, I have 3 sisters, 2 fair sisters and 1 dark sister. So yeah, I'm also fair. My complexion is actually hereditary, so just in case. So I'm just using all these products I'm using because I want to be maintaining the complexion. The sun here in Nigeria is not helping us, like it's drying our skin. And moreover, how I apply cream, I don't apply cream on all over my body. I only apply on my hand and my legs. These are the places that usually get exposed to the sun. Like I said before, disclaimer, so that you guys will not come down like in the comment section to start bombarding me about cream and all. I just want to help a sister out there and also help 1 or 2 people. So that's why I've come here to talk about the cream I use. Yeah, back to the gist. Growing up, like I was saying before, my mom usually buys Looking Good for us. I don't know if I can get the picture of that cream. We're using Looking Good, and when I gained admission, so I decided to, you know, as a big girl now that I've gotten admission, I decided to get Clear Essence. That was what I started using. I was using Clear Essence, and I didn't really like Clear Essence because of the way it smells. So I just after using it for a while, I decided to change to Fair and White, because as of that time Fair and White was actually trending, and I liked the way it smells. Like, it has a particular smell that was so nice. So I got the lotion and also the soap. I used Fair and White for like 3 years or 4 before they decided to change or try to, I think they rebranded or so, and they brought out the Fair and White that was like in different numbers. They have 1, 2, 3. I think that was when I decided to not change my, you know, cream cosmetics from Fair and White to, so this is like a French name. I'm going to leave the picture somewhere around just so that you guys will know. I don't want to murder the name, so that's why I don't want to call it. But the cream, I also mixed it. At a point I mixed it, I was using the carrots. At the point I decided to mix it with honey, just so that, you know, it can nourish my skin a little bit. From that point to Crystal White. No, before the Crystal White, I was using CURLl White. I used CURLl White for 2 months. I was just seeing, I don't know, like, you know, at that point my brain was telling me that I should get lighter, you know, and that was how I bought CURLl White. When I bought CURLl White, it was, I started using CURLl White, and it was actually nice on me. I'm going to insert a picture of how I was looking then. But the only problem I had with CURLl White then was that it was making me too fair. Like, I was almost disappearing from the face of this earth. So I decided to come down a little bit. Okay, I asked questions, and then a friend of mine had decided to introduce me to another cream that I started using, and that cream name is called Crystal White. So all this story I'm telling you guys is, I just want to like explain why I decided to now start using what I'm using. I started using the Crystal White. I used Crystal White for a while. It was so nice on me because me, I don't really apply, like I told you guys before, I don't really wear cream, like I don't apply cream on my body like that. I only apply on my hands, because I don't like, whenever I apply on my body I tend to sweat a lot, so I don't apply on my body. I only apply on my hands and my legs, that's all. And someone saw me, a friend, you guys have seen her here on this channel as well. She saw me and she liked the whole look. She said she wanted to get the cream, so I introduced her to the cream. She started using it. I think she used it for a few months. I started having knuckles. Crystal White, because my friend was having knuckles on her legs and her hand, and it was so bad, you know, that kind of bad, like serious bad knuckles. It wasn't clearing, it wasn't going nowhere. So I was scared. I didn't want that kind of knuckles too. So that was how I changed from Crystal White to, I was now introduced to an organic cream. Organic cream that cost so much. It was like about 2 or 3 times of the amount that I usually spend on Crystal White. The organic cream was so bad on me that it cost me like a boil on my face, a boil that was not going anywhere, a boil that I will boil like a boil. I'm going to show you guys a picture of what it looks like here. It wasn't going anywhere. It was so big that I had to start taking antibiotics, and anytime I take antibiotics it will shrink the boil, and when I stop taking the antibiotics it will start growing again. So I had to go under the knife to take it off, and it was so painful and it cost me a lot. So from there, anything concerning organic cream, I don't wash my hand much from that point. I now went straight up back to the toe soap and this cream. So before I show you guys should not make this cream like scarce in the market, because I want to still be able to get this cream because I still like it. For now, guys, promise me, like cross your heart that you'll not make it scarce in the market. So yeah, here's the cream. This is Carrot Glow, and this cream I've been using it for like 2 years now. Remember I said just my hand and my legs, because I bathe night and morning, so every morning, just every morning. And because I apply cream just on my hands and my leg, I just buy cream twice a year. Or I use this container like this for 6 months, and then another container for 6 months, so 2 containers in a year. And then for my bathing soap, I told you guys already, I had to just go back straight up to the toe soap because I was having like rashes on my chest. I don't know, probably maybe you guys have seen it like in the previous videos years back. I was not developing like pimples or acne around my chest, but right now it's so clear. And then my face was very bad. Right now this is what I am using to have my bath, the toe soap, and I'm not going anywhere for now. I'm not using kojic sand because kojic sand at the point started affecting me. It was not giving me pimples. I don't know, this thing comes with age. It's not like I'm saying I'm getting older. Or maybe probably the weather or something. Kojic sand started affecting my face, my body, like I was having rashes and all. So I stopped BUSNESS, then I stopped kojic sand now, and then after stopping all those ones I entered organic, and now I'm using this, the toe soap. And I'm not going anywhere for now because I'm not ready to start having any, you know, rashes and all until I get something better. But for now I think I'm liking this soap because that's cleared my chest. Can you guys see? My chest is so clean, no pimples, no rashes, nothing. See, I'm feeling pretty, you know. So I said let me just come up here and talk to you guys. It's been long, like you don't say. So did you guys enjoy the gist? Was I blabbing? Was I all over the place? Just let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up, share the video to friends and family, and like I said before, if you like my hair, just go ahead to click on the link in the description box below to check it out, to know how I make the hair. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Like I don't know, I'm just talking. I'll be coming here often to be talking like this. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.